Hi, and welcome to the Curtain and Blind Company. In this short video, you'll learn how to correctly install shutters. Installations can vary slightly depending on your order, so be sure to follow the instruction sheet carefully, and if you have any questions or concerns, please get in touch with our friendly support staff. Your shutters will arrive ready to go, so it's a good idea to first check you have all the parts by identifying them on the instruction sheet provided. Begin by constructing your frame. Each section is marked top, bottom, left and right. Lay the sections on the floor in the positions they'll be fitted. Look for a hole on the back of each of the frame pieces and slide a Hoffman key into the hole. Then slot the hole of the adjoining frame piece onto the other end. Continue this process until the entire frame has been assembled. If your shutters came with a T-post, line up the bracket with the insert on the frame and fasten together finger tight. Position the frame evenly around the window opening and insert a screw at the top left hand of the frame and the bottom right hand of the frame, but leave the screw heads out at this stage. This will temporarily hold your frame in the correct place while you finish the installation. Place the left side panel into the opening, lining up the hinge, and then insert the hinge pins. Repeat for all other panels, working from left to right. If gaps are not even or the panels do not line up with each other at the top and bottom, then make necessary adjustments to your frame. Once everything's lined up, you can insert and tighten your remaining screws. If you ordered face-fitted shutters, carefully press the cover strips into the corresponding sides of the frame and give them a final clean. If you have any scuff marks on your shutters, then use the supplied touch-up paint to cover. And that's it! Beautiful shutters installed in no time at all. It really is that easy at the Curtain and Blind Company.